Hi, students. Today I'm going to walk you through the Scholastic Scope website. It's those magazines we had in class, but now they're online. So once you get here, you're going to log in as a student, and you're going to put my class code, which is just my name, all lowercase. And then you'll be in. You don't even need your Google password or anything. So what you'll see, if we go from the top, we have the latest issue, which we'll look at later. All issues, which will give you access to 39 issues, this idea book, and more. You can also go straight to the type of reading you like. If you like nonfiction, drama, paired text, that's where they have like a main article with a side article, fiction stories, poetry, debates, and videos. Okay. We're going to look down here at these most recent issues. These are the last 5. Notice this says April, March, February, and so on. And then it comes back around to April. And you notice that at the bottom, there's something happening. Well, what's happening is, if you look, there's a little arrow here, and these are the main articles inside of this magazine. Okay, so if we were to look at that magazine from this one here, the Cherry Hill magazine, remember the disaster in the mine? Here's that article. There's another article in that magazine, and so forth. You can also go to the full issue right here. Let's go back to April, and let's go to the full issue. So once you get here, there's a couple things you can do. To look at the entire magazine, you can click here or you can click here. And then if you want to go directly to one of the articles in the magazine, you can see these are all the different articles. You would click here. Let's try looking at the whole magazine first. I like to go to the big magazine. You can also go here. It will open up and look just like the magazine in class. Now, the only thing is this will not read to you. This will just allow you to see the articles. But I have a trick on how you can read an article and listen to it at the same time. So you just use these arrows just like you would in, I think, like even our social studies book. You have a zoom in feature here, which helps me because I can't read that, especially on your tiny Chromebooks. I don't know how you're going to read that. You have zoom out, you can fit to the screen, you can go full screen and zoom in. That's more like me. And I just use these to move where I need to go. The spotlight, I haven't found too helpful. I don't know what I'd use it for, but you might like that feature. And you can zoom back out and fit. Okay, so this is just if you want to look through the magazine. I don't know why they did that there. I think this is their new magazine. They're probably still working on it. But this is just toggling through the entire magazine like you would see in our classroom, okay? So let's leave the presentation mode up here, and let's go back into just one article, okay? This is how I want you to do this if you're going to listen to an article and read it from the magazine version. So that once you click in here, this is the article called The Dog Broom, or The Broom Dog, excuse me. And there's a couple things you can do. You can read the article like this. This is just like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. And that's the whole article. It doesn't look like the magazine, but you can read it like that. You can also be reading it while you do text to speech, or right here you can click to read aloud. Okay, so if you want to just click here and then read this, it will just read it to you. Now, what I have found is a couple tricks, okay? So I have tried this text to speech. This is how I do it because I like the magazine version better. I click text to speech and it's going to open down below.
The Broom Dog.
And
It
then
was
I'm going to
just another
stop
school-
it. Okay, I'm going to stop it. This will stay on your screen, and then I'm going to go to this view presentation and read the story this way. So I'm going to zoom in so I'm ready for the story to begin. Okay, and I'm going to go back to Broom Dog at the top. I'm going to start to play
All Day,
and
Until It
go back
Wasn't.
to
By
presentation mode.
Jason Reynolds. Want to hear this story read aloud? Click here. A school bus is many things. A school bus is a substitute for a limousine. A school bus is the student's version of a teacher's lounge. A school bus is the principal's desk. A school bus is the nurse's cot. A school bus is an office with all the phones.
You can also slow down the speech if you want, okay? The other option is to do that, where you say click here, and it brings you down to the bottom of the article. I do not know why they do that. You can click here.
The Broom Dog.
It sounds a little more like real human speech.
A school bus is many things.
And then I go back to this.
A school bus is a substitute for a limousine. A school bus is the student's version of a teacher's lounge. A school bus is the principal's desk. A school bus is the nurse's cot. A school bus is an office with all the phones ringing. A school bus is a safe zone.
So that's what I have found. I looked all over this place. There's no place where audio is. And maybe it will be on your screen, but for me, it just isn't. So the way I'm doing that is keeping these two tabs open. And I did like this version of the reading aloud better. If you go way back to the top where they say want to hear it read aloud, that's the more like human voice. This one's more like the computer voice. Okay. And then you'll have the presentation view open, and you can be scrolling and listening to the magazine as listening to it as you're moving your screen back and forth. Okay. So that's one trick. Let me get rid of that. Like I said, you can always just read it straight from here as well. Okay. So let's say you want to go to more issues. You're sick of what you had to do for Miss Flegel. So you just want to go read. So click on all issues and you have 39 issues from the past. Now, some of the magazines, I might even ask you to look for like April 2018. And so you would look down here at the bottom and come down. Oh, we're out of date. So go to the next button. And April 2018 happens to be this magazine. Let's click that open. And I might ask you to read the article like The Emperor's New Clothes. Okay, so you have that option here. This might just be interesting to you, and you could click on the whole magazine and look through it. Some kids I liked magazines as a kid because they were short, they weren't big, long novels, but everybody has their favorites. So that's an option. And remember, this opens up in a new tab, so you can always close it. So you've got, if you like just nonfiction, take a look at this. All these stories, nonfiction. If you love football, read. You have all these nonfiction stories you can read. Okay. You don't even have to do activities with them. If I do send you an activity, I will put it in Google Classroom and I will link everything. So I'll link you to this website and the forms will all be there for you to complete in Google Classroom. You'll just have to keep your Google Classroom open and then your Scope magazine. I think you'll be just fine. Sometimes I might even direct you to go to the video tab. I love this story. I've been here in Italy, which is really being devastated by COVID right now. And so if you'd like to watch about how the author went to Pompeii, which I've been to, and how she did her research so she could make her story, she's the one who wrote all the I Survived books. Really cool. You also have a couple other videos here, lots of videos that go with the stories. Remember the story we read about the town that burnt up? There's the video on that poor family. And then you just keep going. How to play cricket. I mean, these are just videos you can watch. So just know that the video tab is here. Debates. If you want to have a debate with your brother and sister, you could go to the debate tab and get yourself an idea for a debate. You could have it at your dinner table. You're invited to a party, your friend isn't. Should you go? You could just bring that question up to your family at dinner, have something to talk about. You don't even have to read the whole article. Take a look at these questions. Like college sports is bringing billions of dollars a year, but the athletes who play them don't get a penny. Is that fair? bring that conversation up at the dinner table. If you want to sound really smart before you bring that up, go in and read the article. Get yourself some evidence to back yourself up so you win the article or the debate, okay? So the article's here, get some good facts, and then have a little debate with your family or your brother or sister. There's one about Fortnite. See, I think that where I see that LA should give up Fortnite. Okay, so to recap, latest issues right here. All issues are right here. Once you go to an issue, open it up. You can go to an article separately, or you can go to the full issue. And like I said, you'll have a presentation view and you'll continue to keep this open. So let's say you want to read this Attack from Outer Space one more time. And if you're sick of me, you can turn the video off now. Read the story aloud.
Hi, Scope readers.
Go back
Mackenzie
here.
here. I'm a writer here at Scope, and
Find
today
the
I'm going to
magazine.
read you the article, Attack from Outer Space. A giant fireball is headed straight for a city in Russia. Now what? By Justin O'Neill. On the morning of February 15th, 2013, residents of Chelyabinsk, Russia, saw a brilliant fireball streak across the sky, then vanish in a blinding flash of light. What was that?
Okay, I should have gone the other way where I looked at it through the presentation view here instead of trying to search. This was not a good move. But hey, I make mistakes too. So I just thought it would be nice for you to kind of see how to use Scope. I just learned it tonight and it really wasn't that hard. You guys will probably be finding tricks I can't find. But, there it is, finally, at the very end. I remember reading this in a magazine I had in 5th grade. Very interesting story. So, all right, that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, of course, email me. You can log out right here, and you'll be out. All right, I hope you have a good day. Bye.